I'm Erik Wallin, and I want to be your next Attorney General. As a native Rhode Islander, I developed a deep appreciation for our state's history, its cultural diversity, our beaches and bay, and most of all, for the good and hard-working people who call themselves Rhode Islanders. After graduating from Roger Williams Law School, I answered the call to serve my country. I became a captain and a JAG in the United States Air Force, prosecuting and defending federal criminal cases before our military courts. I witnessed leadership at its highest levels, and I became a leader myself. At the end of my last military assignment in Washington, D.C., my wife Carissa and I decided it was time to return home to the Ocean State, to be with our families, and to begin one ourselves. Just as I had chosen to serve my country, I chose to serve my state. I became a prosecutor in the Rhode Island Attorney General's office, and there I fought the good fight every day, locking up violent offenders, drug dealers, and child predators, while achieving justice on their victims' behalves. Now I want to fight the good fight for all Rhode Islanders. I have the leadership skills, experience, and having just left the Attorney General's office, the knowledge of both what works and doesn't work in that office. I'll be ready on day one to protect and to serve the good people of the state of Rhode Island. Under my watch, I will crack down on public corruption and insider dealing, which continues to plague our state, rob us of our hard-earned tax dollars, and scare away the businesses with the jobs that we so badly need in these difficult economic times. I'll lock up violent offenders and fight to keep them there. And I'll make sure that we refocus on financial crimes such as mortgage fraud and identity theft, which threaten the financial security of our families and our seniors. And I will make you a solemn promise, not just as a candidate, but as a father of 2 young sons, that I will go after those who prey upon our children, whether on a playground, in our schoolyard, or on a website like MySpace or Facebook. If someone preys upon or abuses a child, I will not rest until they are staring from behind the bars and the barbed wire of our prisons. Rhode Island needs an Attorney General who has the courage and the independence to make the tough and right decisions to protect our citizens. I will be that Attorney General.